Good morning students. In the previous class, you learned about simple bar diagram. That is, what is simple bar diagram and how to construct a simple bar diagram. In today's class, you are going to learn what is multiple bar diagram and how to construct a multiple bar diagram. So here, multiple bar diagram is also known as compound bar diagram. Okay, multiple bar diagram is also known as compound bar diagram. Here, multiple bar diagrams are used to represent the sets of interlinked data. Okay, so here multiple bar diagrams are used to represent various sets of interlinked data. Here, instead of one bar, okay, multiple bars will be drawn. So in the simple bar diagram, you have seen there only one bar will be drawn, isn't it? But here in the multiple bar diagram, multiple bars will be drawn. Okay, and here the sets of the bars are drawn adjacent to each other. That is nothing but one bar is drawn for each component. Here, so here in multiple bar diagram, sets of adjacent bars is drawn. One bar for each component. So if this is a diagram of multiple bar diagram, these are said to be adjacent bars. Clear? So in multiple bar diagram, various bars will be drawn or multiple bars will be drawn. Okay? And here in multiple bar diagram, sets of adjacent bars is drawn and these are said to be adjacent bars. Clear? Now example for multiple bar diagram is production of food grains for different years, imports or exports of different years, or else the results of students of different years. So these are the examples for multiple bar diagram. Now in multiple bar diagram, in order to differentiate the different parts, okay, that is in order to differentiate the bars, shapes, colors, crossings are used. Okay, shapes, colors, crossings are used in order to differentiate the bars. Clear? And for the easy reference, index should be drawn showing the shapes, colors and the crossings. Okay, so for the easy reference, index should be drawn showing different shapes, different colors and different crossings. Okay, and in multiple bar diagrams, in order to indicate different parts, okay, different shapes, different colors and crossings must be used. So this is about multiple bar diagram. Now we'll solve the problems relating to multiple bar diagrams. Here multiple bar diagram also helps in comparison. Okay, so through multiple bar diagram we can compare the data. Here it facilitates comparison. Now we'll solve the first problem relating to multiple or compound bar diagram. So the question is, the following table shows the results for the last 3 years. So years are given, that is 2010, 3 years are given, 2010, 2011 and 2012. Then results, first class, that is for the year 2010 it is 25, 28 and 32. Second class, for the year 2010, the number of students who have scored second classes or who have secured second classes, 32, 25 and for the year 2012 it is 30. The number of students who have secured pass class for the year 2010 is 28, 17 for the year 2011 and 15 for the year 2012. And the students who have failed in the year 2010 are 5, 2011 it is 10 and 2012 3. So the question is, the following table shows the results of second year students of a college for the last 3 years. So in this data, the number of students and their results for different years is given. Okay, here you can see 3 years are given, that is 2003, 2010, 2011 and 2012. The result secured is first class, second class and pass class and those who have failed. So the number of students who have secured first class for the year 2010 are 25, for the year 2011 is 28 and for the year 2012 is 32. The students who have secured second class for the year 2010 are 32, for the year 2011 it is 25 and for the year 2012 it is 30. The students who have secured pass class for the year 2010 are 28, 2011 17 and for the year 2012 it is 15. And the students who have failed in the year 2010 are 5, 2011 it is 10 and 2012 it is 3. Now, taking this information or following data, we will draw a multiple bar diagram. Now, why to construct a multiple bar diagram? First, you need to write the title of the diagram. After writing the title of the diagram, you need to determine proper scale. Okay? And then you need to draw multiple bar diagram using the following data. Now let us see how to construct a multiple bar diagram. So as I said, while constructing a multiple or compound bar diagram, first you need to write the title of the diagram. So the title will be multiple bar diagram showing the results of second PUC students of a college for the last 3 years. Here the information of second PUC students is given. Okay. equal to 5 units. As per your convenience, you can take the scale. Here I am going to take 1 centimeter gap, okay, equal to 5 units. So here the least value is 3. So we will take from 5, 10. Why I am taking 5, 10? Because I have taken scale as 5 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Okay. So the highest value is 32. So you need to take the value up to 35. Clear? Now let us construct the bar diagram. Okay, now let us construct the bar diagram. Using the scale, you need to draw in your notebook very clearly. Okay. Now, see the question. For the year 2010, the number of students who have scored first class is 25. So for the year 2010, number of students who have scored first class is 25. So 25 is here, okay, 2000 is here. So leave 1 centimeter gap at the beginning and then start constructing the multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram should be adjacent to each other. Clear? So in the year 2010, number of students who have scored first class is 25. Okay? Then number of students who have scored second class for the year 2010 is 32. For the year 2010, the number of students who have scored second class is 32. That is 32 will come here, somewhere here. Okay? You need to take proper measurement using the scale. Here, so 32 will come here. There. Number of students who have secured pass class in the year 2010 is 28. So mark 28. So 28 will come somewhere here. Okay, so mark 28. There. The number of students who have scored or the number of students who have failed in the year 2010 are 5. So 5 is here, so mark 5. Now, here in order to indicate different parts, you need to use different shapes, different colors and crosses. vertical lines. You can use any shades, colors or crossings. Okay. Now we'll see for the year 2011. So in the year 2011, the number of students who have secured first class are 28. So 25 is here. 28 will come somewhere here. Okay. So 28. Here you need to give the gap of 1 centimeter and then start drawing the next set of bars. Clear? So for the year 2011, the number of students who have secured first class are 28. 28. Okay. Then the number of students who have secured second class for the year 2011 are 25. So 25 is here. Mark 25. 25. Then the number of students who have secured past class in the year 2011 are 17. Okay, so mark 17. So 15 is here. 17 will come between 15 to 20. Okay, so 15. So 17 will come somewhere here. Okay, so mark 17. Next, in the year 2011, the number of students those who have failed are 10. So 10 is here. Mark 10. Okay, number of students failed are 10. Now, even here you need to differentiate the bars. Now, while marking, whatever marking you have given for the previous bars, same should be given. Okay, that is nothing but this bar is to represent the number of students who have secured the first class, and you have given the cross marking, isn't it? So even here you need to mark the crossed lines itself. Okay. So for this bar, different shades or colors. For this bar, different shades or colors or crossings cannot be used. Okay. For the second bar, you have used the shading, that is to represent the number of students who have secured the second class. Third bar represent the number of students who have secured past class. Here you have given or you have drawn stars. Same thing should be drawn here, okay, or marked here. And the last bar represent the number of students who have failed. So here you have marked vertical lines. So even here you need to draw the vertical lines. Clear? So this is the way how you need to differentiate the bars using shades, crossings and colors. Now, last one is for the year 2012. So here for the 2012, the number of students who have secured first class is 32. So 32. order to differentiate the bars. Okay. So here the first index will be cross lines which represent first class results of students. The second index will be, here you have done the shadings. Okay, this will represent second class results of students. Third one is star mark you have given. So this represents past class. And the last one is vertical lines. Okay, so this index is representing the students who have failed. Okay, so this is the way how you construct multiple or compound bar diagram. So you need to write the title first, then you need to determine appropriate scale, then you need to draw multiple bar diagrams, and in order to differentiate you need to use different colors, shades and crossings. Okay, and for the differentiation then you need to show the index